Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into today's video, I just want to mention that I'm a bit under the weather and not feeling too well, so I won't be explaining every single steps in detail. I will only talk during the parts where I feel my voice is really needed. For the rest, you can simply watch along. The steps are easy to follow and very clear. This video is part of the Nigerian Independence Day outfit series I made for my son and my daughter, and for me too. In today's video, I'll be showing you the beautiful mesh back dress I made for my daughter. I recreated the style using Ankara fabric and a red mesh net, and it came out absolutely lovely. She loves it too. For the pattern making, I started by creating a basic dress block, just the same way you would normally create a foundation dress block. I have videos on that. I marked out the neck, I added the back width, marked the armhole depth, create the armhole curve, and I squared down on up to her desired length, dress length. So the dress block is just simply the foundation. All you have to do is just to tweak it, amend it, and do everything necessary to bring the design to life. After creating the foundation pattern, I cut it out so I can properly adjust it to create my design. I focused on the top part since I needed that part to create the upper portion of the dress. I focused on the upper part. I folded the pattern in two because if you look at the design closely, you will see that the back extended into the front. Both sides are conjoined. I created two borders block for the front, and I will be showing you every tweak I made to achieve the final borders pattern. So please watch closely, and the process is quite simple. Some steps do not require talking, so I will mostly let you watch. After cutting out all the pattern pieces, it was time to sew. First, I created the button hook at the back. Once the button hook was ready, I joined the back bodice pieces together. Again, I just want you to watch. It's straightforward, so just watch. Next, for the bottom part of the dress, I ran a basting stitch along the top edge of the skirt, then pull it to form a girdle. After creating the girdle, I attached the skirt to the bodice. So yeah, you can see everything clearly. After this, I hem the bottom of the dress and then sew the button, and yeah, that's the complete look. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned. I still have 2 more outfits to post to complete the Independence Day outfit series, so please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.